Hello everyone. This short video is about Dytex token staking, what is open right after the token listing, when tokens will be available on your crypto wallet. So follow the link. This link is in our website, in our posts, in our channels, and you will join Gempad app platform in Dytex staking part. Yeah. So. Our staking rewards is 36% per year. That means 3% per month, and minimum amount of staking is 100 Dytex. Maximum amount is 100 million Dytex in this staking pool. So minimum staking period is 15 million and half seconds. Why it is in seconds? Because you will receive your rewards, taking rewards every second. When you like, you can climb it every second. And that means 180 days, half a year. Yeah, our staking period is 6 months. Really, it's in seconds, yeah, because of this staking rewards claiming possibility. Yeah? Okay, there is a simple thing. You need to connect with your wallet. Let's do it with MetaMask wallet, like it's usually, yeah. And then this taken option will be open, and I will show how to do that. Okay, I'm connecting with MetaMask. Yeah, and MetaMask is connected, and here is open possibility of staking. There is written 260 days. It's till the end of this possibility, because our staking pool will end at 13th of June next year. That means it's possible to stake until January 1st, not later. Yeah. And first, to be able to stake, you need to approve Dytex tokens in this platform. On this wallet, I have 500 Dytex tokens, so I will approve all of them, maximum 500. Okay, I need to pay some small gas fee in Polygon network. It's very low. It's very nice, yeah, and we are waiting for approval. Yeah, and it's approved. Okay, and I will stake 500 Dytex tokens right now. Again, you need to subscribe this transaction to pay a little 1 cent of gas fee from Matic token. It's in Polygon network, as you know, and we are now waiting for the stake. It will take some seconds, and we just need a bit wait, like it's usually on blockchain. Of course, take it. Yeah, it's successful. Okay, then we refresh this site, and there is open some more things. Yeah, you can see that there is a possibility to claim rewards. Look at that. It was only a few seconds ago when we stake it, and now I have 0.0000148 Dytex tokens that I can claim right now. Yeah, so it means every second rewards are calculating. Yeah, okay, let's do it again. Yeah, refresh this site again. Yeah, you see 0.00297. So it's fantastic when you can when you can climb your rewards every second. Yeah. One more very important thing for you. You know that you will receive weekly income from our products, yeah, from Chainlotto, from Matchful, etc. And these rewards will be paid for all tokens. They can be locked, they can be unlocked on your wallets, and they also can be staked. Even when you are staking your tokens, you receive income from products, and also you receive staking income. It's double income when you are staking your tokens. So use that and be happy, and thank you very much, and have good luck for everybody.